How to create a subscription website for free. Paid Membership Pro. To create a subscription website for free, use a plugin called Paid Membership Pro. Paid Membership Pro is very simple and easy to use. The free version of this plugin gives you the basics of creating a subscription website. The Pro or paid version of Paid Membership Pro costs $300 a year. However, if I scroll down, then you can see that the Pro or paid version provides a lot of additional features that can make running a subscription website easier and make your website look more professional. Such as additional email confirmations, social logins, allowing members to cancel their subscription, and member management, which allow you to add members manually. However, before you pay for the Pro or paid version of Paid Membership Pro, look over or review Ultimate Membership Pro. The costs for Ultimate Membership Pro, depending on the time of the year you buy it, cost between $30 and $60. This is not a yearly cost. This is not a monthly cost. This is a one-time, lifetime cost. Paid Membership Pro is very simple and easy to use. As you see here, Paid Membership Pro has not been translated into Korean, Hindi, or Polish. But this plugin is so easy to use, most should have no problems with the free version. However, this plugin has been translated into French, German, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Chinese, and Russian. To install Paid Membership Pro from the WordPress repository, you have to use the English text. Therefore, I will install Paid Membership Pro in English, and if there is a translated version in your language, I will use the translated version for the demonstration. I am not going to go into detail on how to install and activate a plugin because I know you already know how. The first 4 tabs at the top provide kind of the same information. Let's start with the first tab called Dashboard. This first part tells you how many sales you made. First by day, then by month, then by year, and last is the total amount of money you made. This part tells you how many new subscribers you have. First by day, then by month, then by year, and last is the total number of subscribers. This part is a summary of your subscribers, such as what kind of membership they have, if they are a current member, and if their membership has expired. This part is a summary of orders. An order is people who subscribed by mail, thus cash payment or by mailing a check. Now at the top, let's go to the next tab called Members. This page tells you member information, such as new members, members that canceled, members whose subscription has expired, and old members. Now at the top, let's go to the next tab called Orders. This page tells you how many members paid by mail. Thus, paid by cash, money order, or by check. Now at the top, let's go to the next tab called Reports. The first part tells you how many visitors your website received, how many pages or posts people viewed, and how many subscribers or members logged in. The next 2 parts are just a review of the information in the dashboard. Now at the top, let's go to the next tab called Settings. This page, which is the Settings page, and is where you start creating the subscriptions. Go to the bottom, and click the blue icon called Create a Member Level. On this page, we are creating a membership level, which will set the costs of what a member will pay to view parts of the website. The first thing we must do is give the new membership level a name. I will call it Gold Member. Next, the description box is to help us remember details about this membership. Customers will not see this information. I will type, Gold membership costs $20 a month. Next is the confirmation message. This message is what the customer will see after they signed up and paid for a membership. I will type, "Welcome to my website." Now I will check the box at the bottom so that this message will be included in the confirmation email that is sent to the customer after they signed up and paid. Next, I will set the price to start the subscription at $20. Now I will check the recurring subscription box. If I do not check this box, then this tells the plugin that this member level is a one-time payment, and the customer will not be billed for a monthly or yearly subscription amount. Now I will set the monthly price the customer will pay to $20 a month. The total amount of months the subscription will last before it ends will be 12 months. If I put a 0, then the customer will be billed until the customer cancels the subscription. Next is custom trial. This creates a trial period. Thus, you are allowing the customer to test or try the website before they decide to pay for a full subscription. I will let the customer pay $5 for the first 2 months, and then the customer will have to pay the $20 a month afterward. However, I do not want a trial period, so I will leave this blank and uncheck the box. I do not want to disable new signups. So, I will leave this box unchecked. Membership expiration. I already set the membership to end in 12 months. So, I will leave this box unchecked. Content settings allow you to protect post content. You cannot use this to protect pages because pages have no categories. I will show how to protect both posts and pages. So I will leave this box unchecked. Now click Save. As you can see, I have one membership level, which is called Gold Member, where the customer will pay $20 a month. Now I have to create a way for a customer to sign up and pay for a membership, and a way for the customer to log in and use their membership. Now click on the tab called Pages. Click the blue box at the bottom called Generate Pages for me. This plugin has created all the basic pages needed to run a subscription website. If I scroll down, you will see that an account page, billing information page, customer cancellation page, checkout page or register page, email confirmation page, customer invoice page, membership level page, login page, and a member profile edit page were all created. If you go to all pages and scroll down, you will see that all of the pages for a subscription website have been created. Now let's view one of the pages. As you can see, there are adjustments that need to be made. I will click on Edit and then I will make sure I am in the theme settings. Now I will click No Sidebar, and Full Width Contained. Now click Update and view the page. I think that this looks better than what it looked like before. You will have to make adjustments to all the pages. You can also use the shortcode to make a custom page or post. To get the shortcode, click Edit for one of the pages. Now copy the shortcode at the top. Now click Add New. Select all of the settings you want to make for this new page. Then at the top, click Edit with Elementor. Now place the shortcode icon in the place you want. Now let's view what we just did, so click View. As you can see, I can build a page around this shortcode. Now let's go back to the plugin settings. Now click on the fifth tab called Payment Gateway and SSL. If we click on Payment Gateway, we'll show a list of the payment gateways we can use. The two easiest payment gateways to set up are Stripe and PayPal Express. The plugin creator recommends not to use PayPal Standard. Therefore, for this demonstration I will use Stripe. I will keep the payment gateway in testing mode, which is called Sandbox. If I have set up a Stripe account, then I would click Stripe Connection, and this should automatically set up the API. Everything else I will not change and will just leave the defaults. Now click Save at the bottom. Now let's go back to the Member Level tab. As you can see, the member level is in red. This means that there is a problem with the member level we created. Thus we have to go back to the Member Levels tab and make corrections. Now click Edit. To use Stripe, the billing cycle must be set to 0. Now go to the bottom and click Save. As you can see, the member level is no longer red. Now click on the tab called Email Settings. The first box is where you type in the email address you will use to send customers or members an email. This is also the email address members will reply to your email. Just because you typed in an email address does not mean that your website has the ability to send an email. I will not review email in this video, but remember that your website needs the ability to send an email. In the next box, type in the name of your website so that members know who is sending them the email. If you leave this part unchecked, then all emails coming from your website will use this email address. If you check this box, then your website will use this email address only for members or subscribers. Thus, if you are not a member or a subscriber, then they will receive a different email from address. I will check this box to ensure that only members or subscribers receive emails relating to their subscription. Plus, if I get an email, this will help me to know that the email is from a paid subscriber and not from a non-paid subscriber. At the bottom, click Save All Settings. This part will help you set up an account that will give your website the ability to send emails. It costs about $10 a month. I will leave a link to this website in the description below. Amazon SES email service is free, but for some, it can be a pain to set up. Now go to the top and click the Email Templates tab. This page allows you to customize all the emails the plugin sends to your member. For example, if I click Email Templates, I will see a list of all the emails this plugin will send to members. Each one I can customize or change. I will pick one at random. As you can see, I can now change this email. If I scroll down, I will see a list of all the shortcodes that I can add to the email to make the email more personal to each member. However, since the work is already done, I will just leave everything as it is, on default. Now go to the top and click the Advanced tab. I want to put a check in these two boxes. This will hide the WordPress dashboard and hide the WordPress toolbar for members. This will make my website look more professional. These are default messages for people who are not members and did not pay for a subscription. You can customize these messages, but I will just leave them as they are. This part says to show only the people who paid the website pages or posts and block everyone else. This one is only for posts. It does not work on pages. If this is set to yes, then non-members will see a small amount of the post. If the non-member want to see or read more, then they will have to pay for a membership. This will also require you to create an excerpt for each post. This video is not a WordPress tutorial. Therefore, I will not show how to create an excerpt for each post. Since I have not written anything, I will leave this as no. This is the term of service. If you want to use your website to sell anything, you must have a term of service page and a privacy policy page. California, international law, Google's AdSense, and Amazon all require a term of service page and a privacy policy page. Just go to someone's website and copy their term of service page and their privacy policy page. Or, go to my website and copy my term of service page and the privacy policy page. I will leave a link in the description below to my website's term of service page and privacy policy page. Remember, Google Translate will translate these pages into your language. This part is reCAPTCHA. If you want to know how to install reCAPTCHA on a website, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video on how to install reCAPTCHA on a website. reCAPTCHA is very easy and simple to set up and install. reCAPTCHA protects your website from fake or false login and fake or false signups. The next two I will leave as default. There is no reason to change them. These settings are only for the website creator, which is you. It basically says that as you are making changes, the plugin will tell you if there is a problem with the changes you are making. Plus, once a week, the website will email you information about sales and other notifications. The next one allows you to hide ads. This would be good, but as you can see, you need to use some coding. Thus, the free version of Paid Membership Pro is not completely free. Since I do not want to deal with coding, I will just leave this as default, which is, no, do not hide ads. This part says that when you delete Paid Membership Pro, you can have the plugin delete all data relating to Paid Membership Pro. Now click Save Settings. We are not done. We still have to set up the menu so the customers can sign up, pay, and log in. However, before we do this, go back to the top and click Add-ons. These are all the additional features you can add to run your membership website. Some are free and others you have to pay. Now click on License. This is where you type in your license key and connect to Paid Memberships Pro. Now we have to put the pages and posts behind the paywall. Go to All Posts. As you can see, the plugin created additional posts that you can customize. I am going to click on Edit to show you what it looks like. To put a post behind the paywall, make sure you are in Settings. Then go to the bottom, where it says Require Membership. If there were more member levels created, then you will have more options. If you check the Gold Member box, then this post will be behind the paywall, and only allow Gold members to be able to read or view this post. Now let's go back and put a random post and a random page behind the paywall. Remember, the Require Membership or Paywall settings are under Settings. Plus, pages work the same way. Now I am going to stop talking and just let you watch what I do. If you want to know how to protect a video on a website, where people will not be able to download, steal, or link to your videos and steal your bandwidth, then click on the little white circle at the top. You will see a link to my video on how to protect a video on a website. Now let's go to Appearance and add to the menu a way for customers to sign up, pay, and log in. I will not go into detail on how to create a menu, because at this point you know how. I am just going to show the results of our work. As you can see, I am updating the menu by adding login, membership levels, and membership checkout to the menu. Now I will test it out by opening the website in an incognito window. If I click on one of the pages or posts that are behind the paywall, then the customer will see a message telling them to log in or join. When I click Membership Levels, it will show all the different kinds of membership a customer can pick. Right now, there is only one kind of membership. When I click on Select, the customer will be taken to the membership checkout page. As you can see, the login icon works. When I click Membership Checkout, it shows where the customer can pay for a membership and how much the membership cost. All of these new pages need to be formatted so that they look more professional.
If you like this video, Then hit subscribe, so that YouTube will show it to more people.